We are Future Without Borders. Our project intends to relieve the current Syrian refugee crisis in Europe.
We do so by connecting European households with Syrian refugee families through our platform. So here we can see the iOS application built for a European household. One of their members just logs in through Facebook. There's a note that gets thrown up that if you are a Syrian refugee, please text a message instead of using this service. We can click OK, and we see that we've been authorized through Facebook. The European family then just has to input some basic information, like their address, After filling out the information, we can submit it, and then comes the main contribute page where we see hosting a family, donating, and finding out more about the Syrian refugee crisis. Let's look at hosting a family first. We see that we have several families that need help, and we can scroll through and find different families. Let us pick a family, Cherry. We get their location, and we can provide aid. We see that this family has already found shelter, so we try helping another family, and we see that we have become a host for the family, and what happens in this instance is your information will be sent to the Syrian refugee through text. We can then continue to help another family. But let us look at the other options of the contribute page. We can donate to support the cause, which links us to a external website that has several donation platforms. We can go back and find out more about the crisis, which links us to a wonderful YouTube video that tells us all about the Syrian refugee crisis in Europe. So here we are emulating a Syrian refugee who just has to text this number that we provide them with a simple text message that could be a hi. The service should respond back with a confirmation of the subscription. And we see a confirmation from the text message from our Future Without Borders service. So the Syrian refugee just has to provide some basic information so that the family, the European household, will be able to get some information about this family they wish to host. So we type in our family name. For now, I will type in dummy family name, number of family members, and that is all the Syrian refugee needs to provide. And then we send the text. And we see an immediate response from our service saying that they have been subscribed to the account, and all they have to do is wait for a European household to accept them. Upon a European household accepting them, the Syrian refugee family will get an immediate text message with the information of the household. From here on forth, the European citizens and the Syrian refugee family can keep in contact with each other by the information that they have received.